We're going to do a demonstration in here where we'll ignite a fire and we'll do a water curtain that is preventing it. So if you are to pass by, you are safe.
Today has been a great day. As a part of the Fire Safety Conference and Expo on the performance-based design in Copenhagen, we have been able to show to fire industry experts and enthusiasts the results of the fire test that we have conducted at DBI.
The test is conducted by using a gasoline that is ignited, and then we wait for a certain temperature, then we activate the spray bar, so we'll be suppressing the fire. What you'll be feeling if you walk by here is that before, you'll be feeling a lot of heat radiation. After, you feel like it's a windy day.
The background for the development of the new water mist curtain solution has been the dialogue that we maintained during the years with different stakeholders. We try to address the need for fire safety initiatives which could support instead of restricting the processes and the functionality within modern and complex buildings.
It was amazing because I could feel the difference, but it's not a solution which can stand alone. It's a combination of solutions.
You can feel the steam, you can feel the thermal radiation, you know it's actually working, and you can feel the reduction in temperature and radiation on the safe side, knowing that it would be acceptable for people to walk through that mist.
The main reason for being involved in performance-based fire design, that's because that's our tool to make innovation. If we don't want to slow down the green transition, then we have to be prepared for the challenges when we meet them. And that's why we engage in projects together with technology providers and also with researchers.
The type of building you're making today are more open than in the past. So I think there's a higher demand for being more flexible compared to just using the prescriptive regulations.
This innovative solution can provide flexibility in the design as it can be applicable for a closure that is represented by a fire door or a fire-rated wall, which can't be installed without reducing the creativity of the architects or restricting the processes for the building owners and the end users.
Well, I think that could be useful, for example, in building where you cannot build up a wall or put some fire doors. For example, in heritage buildings could be a useful solution.
Of course, this is good for us to understand the setup of the test, and that will allow us a better understanding once we are able to see the data. But the data is crucial to make a proper assessment.
Architects like to create open buildings with an open visual impression. We can introduce the spray bars in those buildings, protecting the openings, making it safe for people to be in there. That's why it's a great solution.